My name is Adam Caplan, and this module is about the Rapport wheel, how to develop and generate superb relationships. Everything we do is based on our relationships with people. If our relationships in all parts of our life are healthy and vibrant, we feel much happier for it. In fact, surely the majority of the good things that happen in our lives are down to having good, healthy, vibrant relationships with the people that we like and love. And isn't it also true that the majority of the aggravation we have in our lives and the difficulties we have are a result of having bad relationships and aggravating relationships with people? So a tool that can help generate and foster better relationships in every part of our life would be a benefit, wouldn't it? And if this is a method that is easy to use, and once you've learnt it, extremely effective, this could change our life experience, let alone how it can help improve our sales or customer service abilities when we're talking to people. This tool has been used with thousands of candidates and trainees to great effect, so it's really worth putting in a little bit of time and energy to get to know it and get the benefit of using it. Because every area of our life can benefit. Better relationships at home mean that we enjoy being at home more. Better relationships with our family can mean less difficulties and less problems. Better relationships with friends means you have more friends and you have more fun with those friends. Better relationships with colleagues at work mean you enjoy work more and actually you become more effective. And if you're in sales or customer service, better relationships with customers or suppliers enhances your experience. And in fact, if you're in accounts, for example, and you can generate good relationships, and you can have those relationships with colleagues and with suppliers, it makes you more effective and life a lot easier. So this tool can do all of these things. And whether you're a manager of staff or you're a member of staff that's being managed, your ability to have a good relationship with either the member of staff or your manager is going to give you less stress at work, and that means you'll be happier. So what follows is a really effective tool to help build, repair and maintain rapport and relationships with everybody you meet. Rapport is defined as a close, harmonious relationship with people that share the same ideas, concepts and feelings as you do. And when you've got good rapport, it means you're communicating well. Now, there are many traditional techniques and tools used in customer service and sales training, and I'd like to talk about them now because some of them need debunking. These techniques include mirroring. Now, mirroring means copying and mirroring the behaviour, physical behaviour, the sound of the voice, and what you're saying, the content of the other person. Effectively, you're pretending to act like the other person in order to gain their trust. Now, avoid this. My problem with mirroring is it's not genuine. You are copying the other person. You're not being honest. Now, in sales or customer service or any part of your life, if you're not being honest, then you're lying. And if you're lying, the other person knows you're lying. And more importantly, so do you. This is why mirroring is so disingenuous. People that mirror, actively mirror, are actually liars and actors, not being genuine. The funny thing is that when you truly build good rapport up, you naturally mirror if your attitude is right. You should be aware of mirroring. You should be aware that it happens so that when it does start to happen, you know that actually you're building rapport. But don't force it, because if you force it, you're going to create aggravation for yourself. So this sort of behaviour gives salespeople and customer service people a bad name. Remember, being dishonest in any way is not the way to proceed if you wish to be a great salesperson. I repeat that. Being dishonest in any way is not the way to proceed if you want to be a great salesperson. Honesty wins. Mirroring is a dishonest method. You are pretending to be like the other person to get them to like you. Why not just be yourself and like the other person first, as we've discussed in previous trainings, so they like you back? You don't have to pretend to be like somebody else to get them to like you. And it's a very important distinction I want you to take on board. Just be aware of it and let it happen naturally. Don't fake it.